They're working very, very hard on it. That's why he enlisted the help of police departments across the country. He said the FBI needs them to help keep track of hundreds of suspects. I'm gonna do my dance. Come on.
Of course, you're walking across the street, across the bed. Straight from the left turn lane.
Sometimes I get ridiculous. I like to buy your crackers and your licorice. Yo, fat girl, come here. Are you ticklish?
Time at the tone will be 7:30.
Good morning, I'm Bridget Quinn. A toddler tumbles out the window of her Brooklyn apartment and lands on a brick courtyard below, even though the window had some safeguards. 1010 Wings newsman Glenn Shucks in Sunset Park.
And I missed the light because of that fucker.
Falling 30 feet to the brick pavement courtyard below.
Turns on red.
44th Street near 9th Avenue.
Move right through that stop. What was that? You suck.
Game 1 a week from tonight. Stanley Cup playoffs run 2 Game 7s this weekend. Starts with the Rangers and Lightning tomorrow at the Garden. The Blackhawks and the Bucks on Saturday. Chicago.
Fuck, man. Get off your phone. What the fuck are you doing? And that guy turns on a red arrow. Of course. Come on.
I know what you mean.
I think Mama Cass said it best when she said,
"You're pulling a trailer, you can't be in the right lane, hey."
all the leaves are Monday.
Move over, thank you.
I told you, I sent him a text. I said Chicago will win 4-2.
Oh, fuck you.
Because Chicago is a proud franchise. They got proud players. And they got, who I think right now is the preeminent captain.
No, fuck you too.
Hockey. And that is Jonathan Tate. And Patrick Kane and...
What? Should have waited me last second.
Nothing. Why don't you get it? This motherfucking dog you bringing in? The military take he had his dog. I get your dog. No, please. I'm at this motherfucking dog. But you never know if your dog like takes it.
Why did you do that? No signal or nothing. Okay. There you go. What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing?
for building a moment.
Not yet.
I'd hate to see you at a funeral or a wedding or something, you know?
Real men stand in the rain and listen to this. V-Rock.
Okay. Wait your last second. Oh, that's close. Oh, fucking douchebag. Oh, fuck this guy. Up. Guys cutting in there. Just madness.
Same story, right? I'm standing there, right? This fucking Asian comes in, right? Everybody's like, whoa, whoa, hey, easy.
Last second across 2 lanes. That's a new one. Over the white lines. We're going over the white line again. And the suicidal cyclist is doing it too. Signal, please. Thank you.
Is obvious to all of us. But yeah, dude, he was playing pick the best. You know, right
and
now,
that lane's even moving. It's still doing that bullshit.
Kevin Love in the lineup.
Body present at the wake with complete participation in the planned incineration nearly 3 minutes.
What the? You're just gonna sit in the middle of the intersection? You're not gonna go, then I guess I'll go.
That was pretty good. He's over there and we're still out here in our life jackets.
Seriously?
One day my kids were crawling all over me and my wife said, maybe we need a bigger canoe.
Signal? Careful, what are you doing? Crazy. Yes, that's his door. So I said, fuck you, bitch. What the hell? Hey. On your hate when you want love. Hey. Pay the The fuck is that?
I'm your dream, makes you real. I'm your eyes when you must steal. I'm your pain when you can't feel. That's what I'm your...
You better make a right turn. Of course you're not. Asshole!
Believe me, in my life, I got fired a lot of times. You can tell. Never got any walking.
Wow.
I'll do whatever needs to be done.
Good luck with that. Whoa, what the? Why are you sitting there?
We will discuss this further this morning. Darryl Cipriani, Wilmer Flores, and Walter Garrett all RBI singles in this game as well. No one
Oh!
We'll try to make it 8 today. Quick 3-game series, Valley Needle, all AGO. Collins on the fan. 12-25.
Baseball action last night. Baltimore shut out the Red Sox 1-0. The Yankees beat Washington 6-1.
Right.
San Francisco beat them at 5-0. It was the first no-hitter of the season
and was San Francisco Giants.
Why'd you do that? What do you... Oh! Fucking douchebag on a motorcycle? Oh no, they're blocking it, aren't they? Yeah. This is gonna suck. I don't want to be a douchebag, but come on. Oh, fucking douchebag, that guy. Yeah, of course. Gonna merge way too early. Fuck, man. What the fuck is that guy doing? Hey, come on. Oh, you suck, come on. Oh, you've got to be kidding. There's no parking here. Oh, you suck.
An American Pharaoh run in the Haskell Invitational at Monmouth Park.
Oh, don't do it, man.
Skyrocket that race's growing reputation. A quadruple crown, if you will. I would think so, sure. I mean, I don't think there's any other way to look at it, but yeah. Track spokesman John Himes says conversations will likely occur with the owner who lives in Teaneck.
Is it that bad? Wait
Who's won the Haskell
2 seconds for the traffic move.
Northbound Van White Heavy to Linden Boulevard into Q. Westbound Belt to Main Street over towards the BQE. Eastbound has got an heavy Utopia Parkway out to Crawl think of it there as well. Well, watch out. That's a sign of too much moisture and not enough ventilation. And that can mean increased mold units that reduces moisture and expels pollution.
Don't turn on red.
He needed a triple crown winner. It was a race to Belmont Park on Saturday evening.
Fuck, man!
Away from the field to end the 37-year drought. It wasn't just the 90,000 fans.
Well, with the limited use, I don't know if many people will realize that the airport's not there anymore. Again, it is mixed feelings. Some is
no idea of the connection of this history to the McKinney story, but these kids could have been going to a barbecue, and there might have been the same results. But you remind us how symbolic.
Initially, because people were worried about hygiene in the inner cities, they were worried about being able to keep cool in the hot summer months. They were used by...
No trucks in the left lane. No, 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 you cannot be there. And it's for real because we're in Connecticut and I am recording this live as I'm driving the truck down I-95. I am not recording this on voiceover 8 years later. Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.